finally straightened out here. I know it's going to sound quieter with the visor down. Although this is a pretty windy helmet. It's an AGV, and it's one of their adventure helmets. It's light. It's awesome. I love it. I keep going back to it. But it is kind of noisy. I'm going to try to tighten this up even more when I stop. When I stop up here to switch it into off-road mode, here comes a car, you better not pull out. Alright, we'll stop here and I'll try to fix it. Maybe I can get in the shade here. It's in dirt bike mode. I guess this GoPro's getting me. I really can't tell because the front camera turned off. Some sand here, but nothing like the sand that Rob and I were on, no. They say this is private property, but I mean, it is a road, so. Careful going through here. Try to be respectful, but I gotta tell you, this bike is loud now. So I have the foot pegs from Black Dog. They're prototypes. And I got to put them on. I started to put them on, and the little post that goes through that holds the pegs on are really weird to get off and on. Well, getting them on isn't a big deal, but getting them off is weird. It's this little pin you have to push in all the way through. And I talked to Kurt over at Black Dog, and he kind of gave me an idea what to do. Use a very small screwdriver and kind of push it all the way through. So we'll see. Maybe I'll mess with it when I get home. Give me an excuse to ride with that then. Now I know this thing keeps moving. So far it's my only problem that I know of. Oh, there goes a deer. 2 deer. 3. I don't want one walking out in front of me. Ooh, this jacket is hot. It'll be great in the wintertime, but right now, I thought it was a little bit cooler than this, but it's not. It's hot. It's by a company called Malley, M-A-L-L-E, of London. It's a really nice jacket. They make nice stuff, but they won't work with me. Oh, I don't like crossing over ones. Stupid. There's sand right there. So I've heard all kinds of cool things about the GoPro 10. Hi down there. That's the GoPro 9 I'm looking into. So I had to get it. I had a couple discount coupons. I used them. I'm going to turn this way. Like it was in third gear. Man, I can't wait to put the other pegs on. In these boots, maybe in motocross boots, they're... Oh man, it's up looking at the sky again. Piece of shit. Anyway, with boots that don't have a super stiff sole, these pegs hurt when you stand up because you're putting all your weight. Man, this road's getting messed up. Sweaty in this thing. This will be nice and toasty in the winter. Alright. So I'm going to change this back to sport mode. Alright, here we go. I'm going to go on the freeway too on the way back. Whew, I'm going to open this thing up. This thing doesn't breathe. This is for winter, period. Maybe fall, but definitely cooler weather. The GoPro isn't bouncing off-road. It's not so bad. This bike just has some unreal pickup, and I'll tell you, this pipe added some horsepower, and I've had people say, no, that's not possible. I'm telling you, it's on the bottom end. It just feels like there's more get up and go. I don't know. It's what it feels like to me. Alright, so I'm going to make a left here and get on the freeway. As soon as all these cars go, I can go. Come on, guys. Why are you going so slow? Is it that truck? Alright, this is fogged up. Alright, here we go. Onto the freeway. How's that? It fell down. There we go. Fuck you. It sounds good though. Man, is this jacket toasty. You know what? I'm not talking and I should be talking because I'm trying to figure out how well this microphone GoPro setup works. Hopefully the mic's hanging in there. I think it is. I have a chin curtain, so I just kind of dropped it down in there.